Hello students, welcome to your lab works. Today we are going to discuss about the experiment optics number 1. The aim of this experiment is to determine the focal length of convex lens. The apparatus needed are optic bench, object pin, image pin, convex lens, screen and a meter scale.
We are starting our experimental procedure. Determine the focal length of the given lens by distant object method. Here the focal length is 10 cm. Arrange the object pin, lens and image pin on an optical bench. Fix the lens at 50 cm mark on the scale. Place the object pin 20 cm apart from the lens. Then adjust the position of the image pin till the tip of the object pin coincides with the tip of the image pin without parallax. Measure U and V, where U is the distance between lens and object pin. Here it is 20 cm. And V is the distance between lens and image pin. Here it is 25 cm. Repeat the experiment for different values of U. For that, place the object pin 25 cm apart from the lens and adjust the position of the image pin. Now U is equal to 25 cm and V is equal to 20.5 cm. Place the object pin 30 cm apart from the lens and find the position of the image pin. Here U is equal to 30 cm and V is equal to 15.5 cm.
Optics 1 Observations and Calculations. This is your observation column, and first column is positions, that is position of O means object pin, position of object pin, then position of lens and position of image pin. Then U is equal to LO means U is the object distance, the distance between lens and object pin. It is in centimeter, unit is centimeter, and V is the image distance, that is a distance between lens and image pin. It is also expressed in centimeter. Then next column is X. X is equal to 100 by object distance U. Y is equal to 100 by image distance V, and the last column is magnification M. M is equal to V by U, image distance by object distance. And consider the first observation. Here the position of object pin is at 30 cm, lens at 50 cm and image pin 75 cm. Now we have to calculate the value of U. U is the object distance. It is a distance between lens and object pin, that is this difference 50 minus 30, difference between 50 and 30. Answer is 20. LO is 20. 20 is the difference between L and O, that is position of the lens and position of object pin. 50 minus 30, 20 centimeter. Next is V is equal to Li, that is a distance between lens and image pin. lens is at 50 centimeter mark and image pin at 75 centimeter mark. So 75 minus 50. 75 minus 50 is the image distance, that is 25 centimeter. Then find the value 100 by u and we term it as x 100 by u. 100 by u means 100 divided by value of u is 20. 100 divided by 20, that is 5. Next is 100 by v, that is y, that is 100 divided by, in this case, v is 25 centimeters. So 100 by 25, 100 by 25 is 4. Next, calculate v by u, that is magnification. Value of v is 25 centimeter and value of u is 20 centimeter. So 25 divided by 20 centimeter, that is equal to 1.25. 1.25, no unit because v in centimeter and u in centimeter, so magnification is 1.25. Consider the next trial. Here object pin is at 25, lens at 50 and image pin at 70.5. So distance between lens and object pin, that is u, that is 50 minus 25, that is 25. Then v is the distance between lens and image pin, 70.5 minus 50, that is 20.5. Then x is 100 by u. 100 divided by u value is 25. Answer is 4. And next is 100 by v. 100 divided by v value 20.5. Answer is 4.87. Then final column m is equal to v by u. V is 20.5 by u is 25. Answer is 0.82. Then final observation, object pin at 20, lens at 50 and image pin at 65.5. Therefore, the object distance u, the distance between lens and object pin, object distance is 30. And image distance is 65.5 minus 50, that is image distance is 15.5. Next, calculate 100 by u, that is 100 divided by u value 30. 100 divided by u is 3.33. Then 100 divided by v value is 15.5. So 100 divided by v is 6.451. And therefore magnification is v by u. Answer is 0.51. 0.51. This is the values of magnification: 1.25, 0.82 and 0.51. Okay, thank you.